Hi everyone, my name is Eva Henderson. This is my week 6 discussion post, so let's jump into it. The learning objective that I developed for an OTA program was by the end of class, students will correctly identify, explain, and apply one occupational therapy model or frame of reference to a client case scenario. I am going to use this objective in an activity that I'm calling Match the Model. So what the students will do is they will review the client case scenario that I provide, identify the best OT model or frame of reference, and explain why it fits the client. Then they'll create one intervention using that model and present reasoning to the classmates. First, I would assess the learner and I would just ask them which models are the most confusing to them, what makes theories difficult to remember, and then I would design and teach the instruction. So I would provide the students with a comparison chart of models and theories, maybe similar to the one that we were given in our curriculum last week. And then I would give them a client case study. I would like to do this in groups, so I'd probably give a different client case study to each group, and then a group worksheet for analysis that they could use as they're going through the comparison chart and choosing the models. They can all provide what their clinical reasoning is for the intervention that they want to make for their client. I would do a brief lecture reviewing the key models and open the floor to any questions if anyone wanted to ask questions about the models before they started. And in my lecture, I would use examples from real OT settings. Then I would demonstrate how to choose the right model, and the students could complete the case activity in their groups. At the end, I would evaluate their learning through their written case analysis and their group presentation, and then allow class discussion. Maybe other groups in the class have different thoughts about what they have presented, so they could share that in a constructive criticism way. I would motivate my students by just, especially using the sandwich method, by giving positive feedback and some constructive criticism, obviously their grades, and then I think that they would be very intrinsically motivated because their clinical reasoning would be improved and they would have better performance in labs and fieldwork. My preferred method of teaching is the hybrid learning. I really enjoy the recorded lectures that we've done and the case study discussions, so I would probably apply those to my preferred method. The potential barriers that I see in this instruction is they might feel overwhelmed by theory, and they might have a hard time applying theory to practice, so that's why it would be very open discussion oriented. My solutions to this is simplifying the concepts as much as I can and providing real life examples for them to relate to, and then just encouraging teamwork throughout the assignment. I could see myself as a teacher one day. I have an associate's degree in early childhood education, so maybe I would want to apply that in a different way for adults. I really enjoy teaching practical skills, and mental health topics are very meaningful to me. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.